Hello friends, this is Rajiv Gupta from the Institute SMT MD Patel Institute of Physical Science and Research Anand. The course name is MSc Organic Chemistry. The semester is first semester and subject is Organic Chemistry First, which has the subject code PS01CCHE22. The unit number is 4, which is aromatic substitution reactions, electrophilic and nucleophilic. Today I am going to talk about aromatic electrophilic substitution on nitrobenzene. Now first we see what are deactivating meta directing substituents. Substituents which are directly attached to benzene ring are deactivator due to pulling out electron density from benzene ring. These type of substituents generally contains high electronegativity. So due to this high electronegativity, these substituents which are attached directly to benzene ring deactivate the benzene ring towards aromatic electrophilic substitution. Here the substrate is nitrobenzene. As we see, this nitrobenzene contains a nitro group which is directly attached to this benzene ring. This nitro group is highly electronegative and it pulls out electron density of this benzene ring and makes it somewhat less electron rich. So these electrons present in this benzene ring which participate into the electrophilic substitution reaction are less available. Electrophilic substitution reactions for this nitrobenzene are 1 lakh times, 1 lakh times slower than for benzene. Okay, so it is highly less reactive compared to benzene. So aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction is not so easy for nitrobenzene because it is very slower, means addition of that electrophile is not so easy in case of nitrobenzene due to deactivation of benzene ring. And these type of substituents generally which have deactivating property are meta directing. Okay, the product mixture contains mostly the meta isomer, means the incoming electrophile will attack on meta position of benzene ring and only small amount of ortho and para isomers will be formed in this aromatic electrophilic substitution of nitrobenzene. These meta directors are deactivators for all the positions of the ring. All the positions means these deactivate all the positions, means ortho position, meta position, para position. Means these deactivators means this nitro group deactivates all the positions in benzene ring. All the positions means ortho, meta, para, all the positions, but this deactivation is somewhat in less extent at meta position. So the meta position is more electron rich compared to ortho and para position. So this is more available for electrophilic attack. So here we get meta product as a major product. Now see the different conditions if we make ortho substitution on nitrobenzene, see this is the nitrobenzene. Here oxygen atom is more electronegative compared to nitrogen atom, so it is shown as like this dipole, where negative charge is present on this and positive charge on nitrogen atom. Now if we make substitution on ortho position, okay, when electrophile reach to this benzene ring and this electron shift towards this side, these pi electrons, and make sigma bonds. So this is a sigma complex again, okay, benzenium ion or sigma complex or arenium ion. So due to this shifting of pi electrons, here positive charge creates at this ipso position. See, here nitrogen atom also contain a positive charge and this carbon atom contains positive charge in this resonating structure. So these both positive charges are adjacent to each other, okay, these are just adjacent to each other. So this type of resonating structure is very unstable or cannot form, it is very unstable. And these are other resonating structures where we can show movement of these pi electrons and shifting of this positive charge. So we get positive charge on this ipso position and these both meta positions, but overall this intermediate is very unstable due to presence of this resonating structure where both positive charges are adjacent to each other. Now see the second condition where electrophile attacks on para position. So we show the electron movement from this side to here. These pi electrons form sigma bond to this electrophile with this carbon atom at para position. Now the positive charge goes to this meta position and we can show conjugation with these two pi bonds with this positive charge, and see these type resonating structures. This shifts, this pi electron shift toward this side and this positive charge goes to at ipso position. Now again we get this type of resonating structure where these both positive charges are adjacent to each other. So this is very unstable structure. So this intermediate also is unstable, so it will not form product. Now the third condition is where electrophile attacks on meta position. Due to this attack we get a positive charge on this para position. Now by showing the movement of these pi electrons, this positive charge goes on this ortho position and this ortho position. Now overall in all the three resonating structures, the positive charge in this ring system is present at para position and ortho position. See, in these resonating structures there is no that type of structure is present where these positive charge are adjacent to each other. So this intermediate is most stable where electrophile attack take place on meta position. So this flow of reaction will be more favorable. Now see the energy diagram, energy profile diagram, where we see the potential energy at x y axis and reaction coordinate at x axis. These are the reactants and these are the products, and these are the in between intermediates. So here two types of reactants are chosen. This is nitrobenzene and this is benzene. Nitrobenzene is highly less reactive compared to benzene, and attack of electrophile on ortho and para position gives highly unstable intermediate, or that intermediate which contains high energy, very high potential energy. So these both intermediates are shown here at top side, which has highest potential energy, okay, where these electrophile attack take place on ortho and para position. Now this meta goes to somewhat downside where we get comparatively more stable intermediate. Now in case of benzene, this electrophilic substitution is very favorable compared to nitrobenzene, because here the obtained intermediate is more and more stable from these three intermediates. So this is the comparative study, comparative graphs where we see the stability order of these formed intermediates from nitrobenzene and electrophile reaction and benzene and electrophile reaction. Now what are the structure of meta directing deactivators? See, here the reaction process will be same. In first step, as we have seen for benzene and for toluene and other, first we make in first step these intermediate sigma complex, and then after in second step we get product by removal of this hydrogen atom as H plus ion and completion of the aromaticity of the system. So the reaction mechanism is same. Now structure of meta directing deactivators. What type of groups we should say deactivators and meta directing? These are some properties of that groups. See, the first property, the atom attached to the aromatic ring. Atom which is directly attached to aromatic ring, means benzene ring, will have a partial positive charge. This is the first property where this type of group or this type of group which contains this type of atom which has positive charge will have deactivating and meta directing property. As we have seen for nitrobenzene, see, in nitrobenzene, this nitrogen atom which is directly attached to this benzene ring aromatic system is positively charged. So it works as deactivating group. Now the second property is electron density is withdrawn inductively along the sigma bond. So the ring is less electron rich than benzene. Okay, due to high electronegativity of the complete group. Complete group means that nitro group. If we take example as nitro group, that group will contain high electronegativity compared to benzene ring, phenyl ring. So due to this inductive effect, which is minus I effect, which pulls out sigma bond electron density from the benzene ring, so makes it less electron rich. Okay, makes this benzene ring less electron rich. Due to this less electron, these electrons are less available for electrophile, attacking electrophile. This less electron density will be lesser compared to benzene. So these type of all compounds, these substituted aromatic compounds which have deactivating groups will be always less reactive compared to benzene towards ARAC reaction. Now see the some examples of deactivators. First, as we have seen, nitro group. This is the resonating structures of nitro group, where we see that this positive charge comes on this nitrogen atom and this negative charge on this oxygen atom. So this is highly electronegative group which pulls out electron density from benzene ring, okay, in nitrobenzene. Now the second example is sulfonic acid group, SO3H. This is the resonating structures of the sulfonic acid group, okay, where sulfur is directly attached to these two oxygen atoms by double bonds and this OH group. These are the three resonating structures. We can see that this sulfur atom has less electronegativity compared to oxygen atom. So these electrons, these double bond electrons shift towards oxygen side and makes it negative, and sulfur atom gets positive charge. So these are the resonating structures. So we can say that a partial positive charge directly comes on these sulfur atom, which is directly attached to this benzene ring. So it is also a deactivating group. Okay, these all deactivating groups generally are meta directing. This cyano group, this is resonating structure where these pi electrons of one pi bond in this triple bond goes to this nitrogen side and makes carbon positive. These are the two resonating structures of the cyanide group, cyano group. So this is also very highly electronegative compared to this benzene ring. So it is also deactivating and meta directing. Now these are more deactivators. Ketones, esters. Okay, these ketones, esters, these are also ring deactivators, because these are the resonance structure of this ketone or aldehyde group. Suppose if R is an alkyl group, then it will be a ketone group. If R is an hydrogen atom, then it will be aldehyde. In both cases we get this type of resonating structure. Here oxygen atom electronegativity is higher, so it pulls the electrons, these bonding electrons, towards this oxygen side, and oxygen gets negative charge and carbon gets positive charge. So it is also a electronegative group, work as completely as electronegative group, and it is a deactivator. Also these are meta directing. Likewise we can see for ester similarly. Now see the different case where we see quaternary ammonium salts. These quaternary ammonium, where this nitrogen atom has sp3 hybridization and the valency of this nitrogen is 4 in this case. These are 3 valencies are satisfied by these alkyl groups and one is with this benzene ring on which electrophilic substitution takes place. So these are the examples. These groups are highly deactivators, because in this quaternary ammonium salt, this positive charge on nitrogen atom is permanent. Okay, this is not present as this resonance structure, this is permanent. So this positive charge atom is highly electronegative compared to benzene ring, so it pulls out electron density from the benzene ring and makes it very less reactive towards ARSE. Now see the new examples which are also deactivators. These are halobenzenes, means chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. So halo derivatives of benzene are also deactivators, because we know that halogens in periodic table have very high electronegativity compared to carbon atoms or other atoms. So these are highly electronegative, so pulls out electron density from benzene ring. But these are exceptions, because halobenzenes, in halobenzenes, halogen atoms show deactivating property, but these are ortho and para directing. See why? See what are the points. Halogens are deactivating towards electrophilic substitution but are ortho para directing. Okay, this is the very odd, very different property of halobenzenes, where these are deactivators, okay, but ortho and para directing. As we know that generally deactivators are meta directing only, but these are ortho para directing. How this is possible, we will see in next slides. Since halogens are very electronegative, they withdraw electron density from the ring inductively along the sigma bonds. Okay, due to this high electronegativity, sigma bonding electrons will be shifted towards these halogen atoms, and the benzene ring becomes less electron rich. Halogens have lone pairs. See, these halogens have lone pairs. So they can donate this lone pair or can undergo these lone pairs to go towards benzene ring. So due to this conjugation of these lone pairs present on halogens makes somewhat more electron rich ortho and para positions. But halogens have lone pairs of electrons that can stabilize the sigma complex by resonance. Okay, due to these electrons, stabilization occurs in sigma complex or intermediate by resonance, as we see in the next slide. Sigma complex of bromobenzene. Here the example is taken for bromobenzene. This is the bromobenzene. First we make ortho attack. Due to this ortho attack, we get positive charge on this ipso carbon atom, and these lone pairs goes inside or towards the ring and makes here double bond, and a positive charge comes on this bromine atom. Okay, so becomes it a bromine ion type ion. So we can see that if para attack takes place, again we get this type of resonating structures where positive charge comes on this bromine. So here we get an extra one resonating structure where a positive charge comes on this bromine atom. Okay, so here we get a bromonium ion due to these resonating structures. But in case of meta attack, in meta attack we will get only 3 resonating structures, but no bromonium ion formation will be take place in this case. See, this positive charge would not come on this ipso position, so these electrons will not move towards this side, towards ring side. So here bromonium ion formation does not take place. So here a less number of resonating structures formed. Here see, we get 4 resonating structures for ortho and para attack, but in case of meta we get only 3 resonating structures. Here only one is shown, but actually we will get 3 for these both, and for this we will get 3 resonating structures. So due to presence of one more resonating structure in case of ortho attack and para attack, here ortho and para substitution is more favorable compared to meta attack. So the halobenzenes are ortho and para directing. This is the energy profile diagram of substitution, of addition of this, first addition of this electrophile to this. See, if you compare this benzene and chlorobenzene, what we say that these halogens are deactivator. Due to this deactivating property, the formed intermediates will have higher energy. Okay, because due to lower activity of this ring system, the electrons are less available. So to make availability of these electrons, more amount of energy required. Due to this more amount of energy requirement, we get these high energy intermediates in case of chlorobenzene. But benzene is situated just at lower side. Okay, just at lower side. So here meta attack forms highest energy intermediate. So this is less favorable compared to ortho and para attack. Now this is the summary of all these deactivating and activating groups. See, these all are activating groups and these all are deactivating groups. See, groups which contain lone pair on directly attached atom to benzene ring and which does not contain any charge like positive or other, like positive charge especially, negative charge could be present. So these are always activators. These are ring activators: amino group, hydroxy group, this substituted OH group, OR group, ठीक है, alkoxy group, this group. These all are pi donors, means these lone pair present on this directly attached atom. These lone pairs are parallel to pz orbitals of benzene ring. So these lone pairs are in conjugation with pi electrons of benzene ring, so easily can go to the towards the benzene ring. So this is due to this conjugation we have called this as a pi donors, means these are work as a pi electrons. Okay, so these go to into the ring system and makes it more electron rich. Now these are that which contains lone pairs on these atoms. Now these are sigma donors. What are sigma donors? Sigma donors means which show plus I effect or plus inductive effect. Plus inductive effect means which repel electrons of sigma bonds, means sigma electrons towards benzene ring or aromatic ring. So due to this shifting of sigma electrons from this alkyl group or allyl group towards the ring where substitution takes place, these make that ring more electron rich and these electrons will be more available for aromatic electrophilic substitution. So these are also activators, ring activators, alkyl groups, these aryl groups. Okay, and these all groups will also be all ortho and para-directing. No group is present in these groups which are meta-directing. Always these groups will be ortho and para-directing, means we can say that the ring activators will always be ortho and para-directing, and these are deactivating groups. What we see here, see, halogens are put in a different column in this system, in these groups. First we see the carbonyls and these other groups. As we see in the earlier slide, there is sulfonic acid group, cyanide group, this nitro group, and these quaternary ammonium salt, a quaternary ammonium group. These all are ring deactivators. Okay, these are all ring deactivators and meta-directing. Okay, these are meta-directing. Also these carbonyls and these their derivatives. Okay, acid and acid derivatives and these carbonyls, means ketones, aldehydes, these are also ring deactivators. Okay, ring deactivators and meta-directing. But the case is different for halogens, where the halogens are ortho para-directing. So it is put here, these have put here, where these are ortho and para-directing. Okay, all the four halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all are ortho para-directing due to presence of lone pair on these atoms. These lone pairs are in conjugation with pi system of benzene ring, as we have seen earlier. But Electronegativity of these halogens are high compared to phenyl ring or aromatic ring system. So these atoms pulls electron density outside the ring, so these are deactivators. So these are deactivating groups but ortho para directing. So this is the complete list of activating and deactivating groups with their directing nature. Either these are ortho para directing or these are meta directing. Okay. Thank you for listening the lecture. This is the complete list of colleges and institutes which comes into the Society of Anand People's Medical Society. Here this is the postgraduate courses where you can join the MSc Organic Chemistry course, where MPhil, PhD and Applied Chemistry is also running. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.